The invited and the uninvited all turned up in huge numbers at the Grove in Los Angeles to see Taylor Swift at the premiere of her new movie. Big crowds, big issues, and there to help solve things, Meridian Rapid Defense Group, bringing in its unique mobile Archer 1200 barriers and Archer beam gates. The barriers, which can be easily moved by one person but when placed can stop a vehicle at speed, were used to lock down the perimeter of the red carpet event. And the Archer beam gates were there controlling every entry point. Because they operate absent of electrical power or hydraulics, the 7 gates could be placed anywhere on the site. On this occasion, at key locations allowing in only approved vehicles.
The lucky ones tonight, 2,200 fans invited to the premiere of Taylor Swift's Eras Tour film, documenting the record-breaking tour that started in March. Chopper 4 caught a glimpse of Miss Americana in a blue lover-inspired dress on the red carpet. All 14 screens at the Grove AMC showing the film, but hundreds without tickets came just to be a part of the atmosphere.
With the entire perimeter of the open-air shopping and lifestyle destination secured for the occasion, fans and the invited celebrities were able to spread out and even get one-on-one selfies with Taylor as she took her time walking the red carpet. Meridian's Archer 1200 barriers, which have passed a high level of crash testing, have been used for large-scale SEER Level 1 events. Events such as the Tournament of Roses parade in Pasadena, also the presidential inauguration, as well as NFL, MLS, and other events. The 1200 barrier, as well as Meridian's deployment training, has Safety Act designation from the Department of Homeland Security. So, whether it's sports, entertainment, your annual Main Street Parade, or securing Miss Americana, Meridian Rapid Defense Group is there, keeping people, communities, and places safer.